So what do? Okay, well, if you imagine having your house here, your cars here, maybe some rental property here, and your kid over here at college in an apartment, and all these have liability insurance on them. This one has 250,000. This one has 300,000. This one has 300,000. 250. This one over here has 300,000. Well, if something happens and you get sued, why would you need one? Well, it depends on how much money you're worth. How much money do you have in the bank? What do you have to protect? You don't have to be a millionaire to have $1 million umbrella. If you want to protect $300,000, well, $1 million umbrella will do that. If you want to protect 100,000, $1 million umbrella may do that. It just depends on what you had to protect. And people are like, well, let's say, well, I ain't got but 100,000. I'm only worth 100,000. Well, that doesn't matter. Do you want somebody to take your 100,000? Well, if you don't, if you worked hard for it and you're starting to keep accumulating money, well, then you need an umbrella. The more money you work, the more assets you have, the bigger the umbrella you need. This is so beautiful. What happens if you get sued and you don't have any coverage? No insurance at all. Well, guess what? You got to represent yourself, or you got to hire an attorney. Attorneys ain't cheap, baby. Guess what happens when you have a $200 a year umbrella? That covers your attorney costs. The duty to defend. And you better believe that the attorneys that these big corporations, these big corporate insurance companies have are good. So for $200-300 a year, you can have an attorney on retainer if you ever get sued. It's a no-brainer.